Alright, here's the 1968 Jeepster Commando. I've decided to make videos of the restoration. I've got tons of pictures but no videos. I've got the body, most of the body work done. It's lifted up sitting on sawhorses. I've got most of the frame painted, floor pans installed. Hang on, let me get to that. New floor pans. Bed of it's done. Stopped painting it back here because I realized the bearings and the rear differential are bad. Replaced the outer bearings. What else? Here's this side of it. Doors are inside. Oh, here's the top. Top hasn't been done yet. I'm going to rhino line the floors and paint the sides, the body color. I've already done new brakes on the rear. Still have to do the front. Next step is to finish painting the frame, then run all new brake lines. I've got new hoses. I've got to run new steel brake lines for it. Then after that, I'll probably lower the body back down on the frame. Oh, I also put bed liner on the bottom of the body. Let's see if you can see it all the way back. The entire bottom of the body is bed line. It's that Herculiner brand. So yep, that'll be the next step, is to finish painting the frame, then run brake lines, and then start on the front brakes. You see I haven't painted in there until I get the wheels off, but it's getting close. Here's the rest of the parts inside my workshop. There's the doors, let's see, the hood, the grill, there's the dash, console. Of course, it's got a lot of dust on it. Fenders, the dog. There's the tailgate, the radiator. Let's see, what else is over here? Some new parts. There's the windshield. There's another fender. And then box loads of parts back there in the back. I gotta dig through. Most of that stuff has already been refinished. I did that a few months ago. So most of it's ready to go. I'm gonna start back on it tomorrow. I'll post another updated video, part 2, pretty soon. That's it.